Hey guys, Roman at CarTips. Welcome to today's short little video with two quick simple tricks. So the first tip will be how to remove emblems, and the second tip will be how to remove windshield spray nozzles. Really simple.
Okay, so the way we're going to take off those emblems is grab a tool, something like this. It's like a putty knife or whatever, just something like this, and we're going to just scrape the emblems off. They're just held on by glue. There it is. As you can tell, it's just adhesive over here. Just been glued on. That's how emblems are held on. Moving on to this one now. As you can tell, they're just held on by double sticky tape. That's just glue. Okay, so here's a trick on how to remove spray nozzles from your hood. So I take the same tool and I simply go under here on the front side, or on the back side I should say, just kind of push in and kind of tilt up, and it lifts up this side, and then you're going to do the same thing from this back side, or front side I should say. You kind of slide it in there, push up, and it just comes right out. And then you just kind of unplug it right there. So it's got these two little tabs right here that you push inward from each side, and it'll pop out. That's some life hacks for you guys.
Alright guys, so that's it for this short little video. Thanks for watching. If you guys like this content, subscribe for more tips like this in the future. Yeah, thanks for watching. Peace out guys.